And just like that, I'm back. It's 12:24 p.m. I'm excited because I finally get to organize my bathroom. Here is what it currently looks like. It's nice and clean, but it's just kind of boring. So today we are going to fix it up. I got a lot of cute pink bathroom accessories, and this is the first time I get to decorate a bathroom all for myself, so this should be pretty cool. I can't wait to make it look so organized and aesthetically pleasing. If you're ready for that, definitely make sure to give this video a big giant thumbs up. Now let's get started. First, I'm gonna start off by putting down the bathroom mats. I got this super cute white and pink bathroom mat set for only $24.99 at HomeGoods. Let's see, I think the biggest one is supposed to go by the bathtub.
It's not, but I didn't know any better.
Like this, so that I don't get the floor all wet. And now down here, right in front of the sink. Now I'm gonna change my shower curtains. This one's actually nice, but it doesn't really match the theme that I have for my bathroom. So I'm gonna replace it with this pink one that I found at Walmart. I don't remember how much this was, but it's super nice and it has like Bible verses on it, which I think is so cool. Of course, we gotta take this one down. Hopefully I can figure this out. Hold on, I'm gonna need some music or a YouTube video or something because I'm already getting bored and I just started here. A lot of time has passed. I'm finally done putting this together, but I'm obviously not done. I gotta get it up here, but I'm already so tired. This is embarrassing. This is so much harder than it seems, okay? Try it at home and you'll see. This better work out. This feels dangerous, but I'm on a chair now, so I can reach this better. It's finally done and it looks super cute. All of that work was definitely worth it. Check it out. Let's read one of these. How about this one? Be happy and let your heart give you joy. Ecclesiastes chapter 11 verse 9. I will give thanks with all my heart. Psalms chapter 9 verse 1. The last thing I have for my shower is this shower caddy, and of course it's white because as you can see I'm going with the white and pink vibe. This has a lot of compartments in it and this should be good. I don't even know if I have enough products to fit in here, but I probably will at some point. So let's just rip this open. Oh, and by the way, I got this at TJ Maxx for $14.99, which is actually a pretty good price compared to the other ones that are $20 and up. Okay, that's basically all that I have for the shower caddy right now. It already looks really cute. And of course, you know, I have my pink products here. The rest are green. Yeah, that's it. And now I have space to put other things over here. Alright, I have these 3 glass jars that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna use these to store my Q-tips and cotton rounds. So it depends, I'm either gonna use 2 of them or all 3. Let's see if this rip is satisfying. Yes! I have another container here that I'm actually gonna use for cotton balls. These are done. They're looking pretty good, I'd say. But now I'm just deciding if I should leave them on my sink or put them in the medicine cabinet. Because I feel like this would be cute, wouldn't it? I don't know, like imagine I had it all filled up with these. I'll set up the rest of my sink and we'll decide together if I should put them here or not. From HomeGoods, I got this soap dispenser and a little thing to hold my toothbrush. So I'm gonna be so real with you right now. I'm tired of this cleaning and organization already. All those videos I watch really convinced me that I'd have fun doing this, but no, it's already too much work. I don't know why it's taking so long just for me to put my bathroom together. I need a break. But at the same time, I know I'm gonna be so happy once all of this is done and I get to come into my bathroom every day and enjoy what I see, you know? So let's just power through. Next, we are going to do the drawers underneath my sink, and I actually got some products to organize it. From Target, I got 3 sets of white bins, and I'm gonna put in all of my hair products and whatever other things I usually have lying around. This should make it look so much nicer and less hectic here in my bathroom. And I also got this little, I don't know if it's called a caddy or whatever it is. This will hold maybe bigger products or just leftover things that I have with no place to go. I have it lined with this little paper,
I think we got this from Dollar Tree, and it's just to prevent the bottom of the cabinets from getting dirty from our products. I'm going to start off with the 3 small bins. In the first one, I'm gonna add my hair clips. Wow, I'm so happy this didn't overfill. It's actually almost perfect. For the next one, I'm gonna add in nail polish. The thing is, one of my nail polishes spilled and got all the other ones kind of messy looking, but they're still good to use. This is not the whole collection, but this is all that I could find right now. And most of these look like I got them from my mom or like as gifts. I need to update my nail polish collection. I have a bunch of nail clippers to add in too, which are also super messy from that nail polish. So yeah, remind me to buy some more nail products. The last thing I'm going to add are some feminine products. This is actually turning out cuter than I imagined. Here is what my drawer is looking like after I added in all of my products. I know this is actually a lot more than I thought, but I feel like I need all of this stuff, so I'm keeping it. I had to do this off camera because I was just getting so tired and it was hard to film it all at the same time, but check this out. Hair clips, nail polish, feminine products. I have some soaps back here, bar soap, extra cotton rounds, hair ties and scrunchies. These are like all just random tubular products, hair products, brushes, and a bunch of other stuff. You guys get the gist. And back here in the big bin, I put my flat iron and hair dryer. Looking really nice. To be honest, my morale is going up a little bit after seeing how organized this is. So I hope you guys enjoy it as well. Here's what the top of the sink is looking like. Also, so much more improved and organized. And I finally brought out my makeup organizer that I haven't used in so long. So let's fill this up. That's everything. But oh my goodness, I really need to clean my brushes and get some new makeup products because this is rough, but not that bad. I've decided to leave these in here because as you can see, there's already a lot of products on here and we don't want to overwhelm it. I have some more products to add in. And this is all just gonna get more and more filled up as time goes on. I have this pink towel set, and this is actually the last part of this video, so hopefully everything looks like it's coming together. New shower cap. Oh, I should do white because that'll go with the design. Looks good. This is the final product. Now everything is together in my room. I love how pink it is and it's super duper organized. Now I can feel super nice and confident when I'm coming into my bathroom and I feel like it's actually mine now. So pretty. Alright, and that is it for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. You already know what to do. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit the notification button, and also check out my socials, all at Peachy Queen Official. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!